So why is the ROI for using AI in CX and customer service so realizable? Right? The fact that it's realizable is well known. If you look at all of the studies, and you've seen Deloitte publish about it, you've seen Gartner publish about it, of the investments in AI, the ones that have had the largest return in terms of net business benefits and those with the fastest time to value are in a few categories, and one of the top three categories is within CX and customer service. But why does it happen? So why does the ROI not just remain on the spreadsheet, and why does it actually come about in the real world? I think there's three reasons for this. So one is to do with where the agents are deployed, and there's actually reasons 1 and 2 have to do with that. So there's two situations. One is that your agents are deployed externally, so they're outsourced. In this case, assuming your contract has some variable component, then the moment that you move some tasks to automation or even partial automation and free up agent time, then you begin to see that you're paying for less transactions or less volume, or depending on how your contract works, meaning that you start to see savings on that cost item in your P&L immediately. The second case is if the agents are internal. Now, since there's always churn and you're always dealing with a situation of attrition, and the costs of recruitment, training, retention are very high, you start to see benefits typically within a quarter or 6 months, meaning again that the time for you to reach value is high. And the third reason has to do with the fact that because customer service and customer engagement is on the front line and it always has a deluge of stuff coming at it, if you can take some of that deluge, put it into a side stream and automate it away so it doesn't hit your agents, then you create capacity in your team, and not only at the frontline agent level, but at every management level, at your operations people, meaning that typically within a quarter, and certainly within 2 quarters, we've nearly always seen that if you're automating quite a lot, then you almost always deploy some of that additional capacity to do projects you wanted to do, turn more of your contact center operations into a profit center. For example, doing high value interactions that improve lifetime value, retention, and related metrics. So that means in all three cases, that because of the dynamics in the contact center and your customer engagement space in general, because of those dynamics, you just see the results on your P&L very, very fast. That's why in almost every project we're doing, from a size perspective, you're always dealing in millions, multi-millions of net business benefit, even after factoring in your own internal project costs. But more importantly, especially in the market we're in at the moment, you're seeing this hit your profit and loss as an overall financial advantage within 4 to 6 months. Right? It's always under 2 quarters. And this is why, if you're investing anywhere in using AI, the place to do it fastest is within customer service and customer experience, customer engagement in general.